myself. Take me right back to the start.
Hey, what's going on guys, Toxic J&D here, and today I'm coming back with another video at my community grinders. Now, just like to say that the last video still hasn't released when I'm recording this. Recording these about 7 hours apart, so it's getting late for me. So if I do sound a little bit off, that would be right. But anyway, today I'm building the multi vindicator with a skeleton evoker farm. So multiple different drops. And as per usual with this design, I'm going to be using the same thing. That same design as all the other rooms. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do on the one next door to it, and we've got to go and grab some glass for the walls in between. Now with this one, it shouldn't take me as long because I've done 3 of these today. This will be the 3rd one I've done today. But I am getting tired, so I might split the clip and go into an AFK halfway through. Anyway, we have laid out the floor here. I'm just going to quickly count in there, no, it should be center. In the one on the line, that's all good. At the center all the way along. Just sweet. Oh, one thing I did forget to do with the last one is mark out a small this box here. Bam, 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 bam. So that's our little center box, which is just as part of the design. I'll jump to here, and you'll see that it's on all of them. So yeah, I'll have that done here as well. Oh crap. That's right, bam, bam, bam. Pull the magic box, but full of contraptions out again. I might have to duck back to my base to grab my hoppies in the near future. That's all I should need from here. Up there. I've managed to put all my quartz and stuff somewhere from the last video. There's got the pressure plate right there. Now I can get it out. My quartz and stuff somewhere in the last video, so that might be a little issue. Oh, there it is. Never mind, ignore everything that Toxic says, because he doesn't know what he's talking about. So that's done. Grab this out. Here. Bam. It's chat file. And that's that. So now if I fill in the gaps here, now along there, and we fill in this bit here on each of them. Get this going, so that's almost done. Right, I'll run back, grab some quick hardened clay, or terracotta as it's called in your update. Stupid name change, I absolutely hate it. But yeah, this is almost done, the main room, that everyone sees. And then we'll get to work on the spawner room. And we're done. So now the supposed fun part. I'll grab 6 stacks to start with anyway. Outline. Right, and then I'll start putting an account to AFK up here when I get my iron golem farm that I'll put in the future done. That should be a nice challenge considering the rate I keep picking up iron golem spawners for no reason whatsoever. Right, so this is showing a considerable amount more than I expected it to. So we'll get this done here. So once we sort of finish this, I might call it a bit of a night. Who knows, really. Apparently we're playing Cards Against Humanity. I might want to blur out chat if I remember. If I remember. I might finish off this off camera so he's on board. Says when I finish this. Well, I have finished off these grinders. I forgot to start recording again when I was placing the spawners, unfortunately, because there was an error and my evoker and vindicator spawners have turned to pig spawners, as you can see. But there's zombie pigmen and the wheel skeleton skulls spawners are still there. They should be working fine. I have put in a support ticket for me to try and get these fixed, but that's about all we can do apparently. So I'm going to put away my items for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another upload. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.